Lesson Karen here with another pet hack test. Dogs, right? You walk them, maybe you want to stop at a coffee shop. Maybe you need to stop and tie your shoe. Whatever, you need some way to secure them when you're out and about. And all you really have is their leash. So one of the tips that we saw is you take a carabiner, something like this little guy here, put it through the handle of your leash, loop the leash around some secure object, and then clip this over the leash itself. And now you've now tethered it to chair, post, whatever.
Hopefully not a chair.
Hopefully not a
You
chair.
could probably move the chairs, like a light post, a tree.
Yeah.
Fence
post.
Probably not a bike rack, but
bike rack could work. Most of those are cemented down.
yeah. But if someone comes and gets their bike,
don't loop it through somebody else's bike. I guess that's just being nice. We've done that before, but here's my big concern with it. When I think carabiner, I think one of these guys, like an actual mountaineering carabiner.
which you can get at Home Depot, the heavy duty ones.
Yeah, you can get these heavier duty ones. This is a legitimate rappel down a mountain carabiner. Big difference is not just in the size. You see that big beefy hook there? And then there's a nice heavy clip that goes in there. And then this also spins up and locks, making this one nice big loop.
And they're not that expensive.
They're not super expensive. They're not $1 for 30 of them like this, but the big difference with this one, and I'm not necessarily saying you gotta have one of these, the big difference is these are actually shock rated. So that means when you fall and it clicks in, it's rated to take that sudden shearing force. This one's rated like 23,000 newtons. Okay. This little guy does say SWL, where am I? 150. That should mean safe working load 150 pounds. What that means is you can hang 150 pounds on here, but I don't know that it's actually shock rated for that. Then there's this guy, which is what I'm really afraid a lot of people are grabbing.
Yeah, those you like the dollar store where you can get a couple of them for $1.
I
Don't do that.
I think we bought like a jar of them.
We use these to tie like tarps and stuff up, which probably still isn't the greatest, but
these are really spring clips. It's spring loaded, so everybody thinks, oh, it's spring loaded and it's just going to snap through. There's no hook. There's nothing to catch against. You really can't see it, but this does flex when I'm just pulling on it. I'm really afraid if we clip a dog to this, it's going to snap and they're gone.
All right, so we're going to test these.
So let's go test some dogs. The best.
Start over.
All right, we figure the best, easiest one to start with is Sunny, mostly because she's the smallest dog that we have. And in theory, she does not have the pulling force. So here's our stand-in post. Take, wrap around, spring clip. This is the one that doesn't have any kind of load rating on it. Take it, flip it, through there, and let it go. Go get him! Seems to be holding, which I'm surprised at. This is the one that I would have thought would have just gone. Let's see what happens if we put Sawyer on it, because our neighbors are out, and that means he's going to want to run. All right, here comes Sawyer. 100 pounds of grade A German Shepherd. All right, you ready, buddy? Here we go. Go. Go that way. Go there, man. Go. Actually, I can see it going like this, which scares me. Do that enough times, and that's gonna pop. Come on, buddy. Come here. Try a quick switch. Alright, this one with an actual weight rating and... Okay, cool!
Is that frustrating to you?
You don't like it? Okay. The difference is that's not moving at all. I was just going to let him go and then... Alright, come here. Go. Hey, go.
Hi, gorgeous.
Hey, baby. Just come back in this way, my love.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.
And follow us all across social media. Links are in the description.